Hello everyone, myself Garima Modi. I'm a research scholar in Department of Zoology from Janardhan Vyas University, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Academic achievements are one of the most important and I personally feel memorable milestones in a person's life to highlight in the scholarly world. I take the chance to thank Eudoxia Research Center to providing me a wonderful opportunity to share my feedback about international innovative program IIP. I'm glad to be a part of the early bird of this research center. It is wonderful and I personally feel an excellent learning platform. It is a committed place for teaching research and developing art and craft of research internship. As an IPN, I started my journey as a researcher in the Eudoxia Research Center. The IIP program has been the driving force towards achieving the overall aim of the research. It is indeed an enriching experience for me to be associated with Eudoxia as an IPN, a common platform which is a common platform with lots of inputs from scholarly resource persons meant for the researcher fraternity, and also they have motivational talks which are delivered by the eminent speakers to boost our energy level to move on. I believe that the knowledge that I am learning from this course is very useful to my research endeavor in future. I have also completed so many research related programs from Eudoxia like Vorum, MAC, TOP, TOR, one international conference and TRAMS. Currently I have completed TRAMS 2021. My first experience with Eudoxia is the international workshop Vorum 2.0, a 1 month international workshop on research and methodology. So Eudoxia, it is an ocean of knowledge and every day I'm learning so much new things from this platform through various research related programs they are conducting. I have also completed 1 month international research and methodology workshop on free publication of qualitative and quantitative research, and 15 days international training I have also completed on research paper writing and application of software for free Scopus publication. So Eudoxia Research Center, they also provide platform for book chapter writing, research paper writing, publication in Scopus journals. I have also completed TOP, which is the international training on public speaking, creative writing and personality development. This institute also provide various international conferences now through online mode, and we as a researcher, we are getting the scope for participating and publishing our research paper in reputed journals or books. This institute also they are providing platform for paper publication in Scopus journals or UGC care list journals, article writing, blog writing, content writing, and they much motivate the participants. All live sessions with proper PowerPoint presentations and question answer session make it more impactful. Any researcher should not miss 1 year IIP of Eudoxia because it crafts your knowledge, it crafts your skill from scratch to advanced level and more than this. And I'm seeking Eudoxia Research Center as a platform to take me to the destination where I want to be a best researcher. So from core of my heart, I extend my appreciation and gratitude to Eudoxia team for their continuous effort, support, cooperation and determination to enrich us with knowledge and innovative skills. I would love to be connected with Eudoxia for a lifetime, and I hope I will meet with Eudoxia people very soon in near future. Many thanks to Dr. Pratiksha ma'am and Professor Dr. Rituraj sir for their resilience to making IIP worthwhile, and seriously I'm proud to be a part of this prestigious institute. Thank you so much.